Meet the man raising a new breed of the supernaturals. G2s.
The first G means godly. Second G means generation. This is a godly generation.
Prophet Simon Victor is raising the godly generation.
As you go back, God will give you peace and rest. In the name of Jesus Christ. No one is poor here. Because God is lifting us to a higher level.
The prophet who is raising a godly generation of the supernaturals in the G2 fellowship.
No one is poor here. Because God is lifting us to a higher level.
Don't miss the G2 Fellowship International happening every last Saturday of the month at St. John's Ambulance Hall along Buganda Road.